find Watch Later playlist on YouTube? First thing first, make sure to update your YouTube application from any Play Store or App Store. So on the updated version of YouTube, you can easily find Watch Later playlist on it by tapping on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this profile section, you can see playlist. So under playlist, you can easily find out Watch Later, which is set on private. You can open the Watch Later videos here, and if you wish to download it, you can tap on download button and easily download it as well. If you wish to remove it from your Watch Later list, you can tap on three dots of the video and tap on remove from Watch Later. So that's how we easily find Watch Later playlists on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.